Welcome back to WIV4 News, the heartbeat of the Turks and Caicos Islands. In tonight's court news, the Jays robbery trial resumed today. Roxanne Lockhart, Lorenzo Caesar, Franklin Santomen, and Dorleen Zammer have been charged with that robbery. They all stood before Chief Magistrate Clifton Warner in Court 2 to answer to those charges. This incident took place on July 11th of last year, a very controversial robbery that shocked the island as 4 men and a suspected decoy robbed the jewelry store in broad daylight. Police were able to obtain substantial evidence from the crime scene, including security surveillance footage. On July 16, 2010, all 4 of the accused were arrested and charged for the incident. Wilkie Arthur was also arrested in connection with this robbery after police officials claimed to have found Arthur's DNA on some of the evidence collected from the crime scene. He remains in custody. Franklin Santomen and Dorleen Zammer were discharged today due to insufficient evidence. The other 2 suspected robbers were committed to the Supreme Court for trial. Also, 2 Supreme Court trials marking the first criminal Supreme Court trials on Grand Turk and on Providenciales for this year began today. One of those trials involved Clifton Gibson, who stood before Chief Justice Gordon Ward and a jury on Grand Turk. Gibson was tried for burglary today, an incident that took place back in September 2009, where he allegedly burglarized a home in Glass Shack, Providenciales, of a quantity of items. This matter has been adjourned until a later date.